Meaning of flood.
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 Flood. Flood is an overflow of water that submerges land which is usually dry. The result of a flood can be devastating, causing damage to homes, buildings, infrastructure and crops. Floods can also cause loss of life, displacement of people and disruption to communities. They can occur as a result of heavy rainfall, snowmelt, coastal storms or dam failures. The impact of floods can be long-lasting, affecting the environment and economy for years after the initial event. Therefore, flood prevention and preparedness are important measures for mitigating the damage caused by floods.